welcome back to Shed Tune. We're up at JG Scooters to Dyno, the yellow Sprinter. They're in the dyno room at the moment, so we'll go and have a look, see what they're up to. Everyone's here. Free tea and coffee.
Blacksmith.
The hostess with the mostess.
Hello.
Dyno in. What's engines in this, Johnny?
It's just a pretty standard RB250.
Sounds nice. Sounds really nice.
60, 110, off the shelf mammoth head. I've not machined it. It's just basically put together, no tuning.
And what's it putting out?
On this dyno today, 26, which is
Pretty good for the road, isn't it?
a decent road bike. Pulls nice. Be a good 80 mile an hour road bike.
Inside of the dyno, look, the drum, brake disc bit, starter motor, nice battery to fire it all up. Looking now, eh? Who knew all that was inside?
Let's get ready to rumble!
50.
Okay. Might be 50 if I do it. It's on the money jetting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's far out. It splutters a little bit. When you're pulling away, what we're trying to do is clean up that bottom
Lean
end.
the slide off.
Maybe.
Lean the slide off. That's it. Easy, beach best.
Right.
Shall I try one more run?
Yeah.
If we can.
Well, yeah. Do you want me to
Let's see if I can start it. Backfiring a bit.
Thank you, is it? Is that revving it too hard?
I don't think so. I'm looking plump. Stator slipped or something.
Anyway,
You all right, mate?
they've got off the tight bed anyway, aren't they?
Yeah.
You two with a fucking song tonight.
Oh, I know what he's doing now.
I won't even go in there.
Well, as you can see, that is completely and utterly knackered. The back plate snapped, and obviously that didn't want to come off. So now we've got to put new shit on.
What day is it today?
Monday. Right, so we've changed the stator. It's now sparking again, and we'll hopefully fire on the dyno. Oh, we put a new plug in it, a new tiny short reach NGK plug, which I'll tell you is a, what's this called? A BR9 ECMIX. So there you go. Let's see if it fires. Well, as you can see, things didn't quite go to plan on the dyno.
Well, whatever does.
Well, that's very true, and I suppose it's better to go wrong on the dyno than while we're racing it. So this is probably a short video. We still can't get it running, so we've got to have another look at the stator, and we think that's the issue. But if it's not, it'll be an engine strip, and then we have to rebuild it so that it's working right. That is going to be the end of this video. So it's goodbye from me,
And it's goodbye from me.
and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
See ya.
That's all, folks.